All right, welcome Cubs, welcome Lions to our craft demonstration for Tuesday, April 14th. Looking forward to it. Now you should have gotten an email with some templates on it. The one that we're going to use today is the template of the constellations. So choose the constellation that you would like to try. I chose the very first one because the Big Dipper, which is the very first one here, is one that I remember seeing outside my window when I was a little girl, and it would always be there at nighttime when I was falling asleep, and it would be the thing that was interesting about it is that it would change its orientation, so the way that it was up in the sky, depending on the season, depending on the time of the year. It moves as the Earth rotates and orbits around the sun, and it moves throughout the year. The stars would look different. So I chose that one. So I cut it out, cut it fairly close. I did try this with a little flashlight, but it just didn't show up very well. So my other option would be to get a toilet paper tube, cut out your constellation. I chose the Big Dipper, like I said, and I've already prepped the Big Dipper, but I'm going to just really quickly cut out another one so I can demo how you can turn this little piece of paper, a toilet paper tube, and a flashlight or your phone into a constellation projector. So, cut out the constellation of your choice, or all of them if you'd like to. This would be a great fine motor activity. Find a push pin or maybe a toothpick. So I've chosen a toothpick. It's a little bit longer, a little bit thicker than a push pin. I have a piece of foam, styrofoam, something that you can use that you can push all the way through so that those holes are really neat and easy to see through. Okay. So you're going to take those, you take your push pin or your toothpick, and you're just going to, or like a skewer would work really well, you're going to poke through, okay, and get a nice hole right on top of those dots. Okay. Okay, this is great fine motor for you to find those dots and put that little point right on it and poke all the way through. Okay. So this one here was called Pegasus. This is Pegasus, the flying horse. All right, you'd be able to see it up in the sky. But like I said, the one that really speaks to me is the Big Dipper, and so that was the one that I chose to do first. But you could do any and all of these. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that you poke through and make sure that none of those little bits of paper are folded over top of the hole, because you want the light to shine right through that. Okay. Okay, so now you can kind of see, you can see all the way through each of those dots, and that would be Pegasus, the flying horse. Now, what I did is I took a toilet paper tube, because it didn't really work on my flashlight. I don't know if it was just the light was too close to the paper or what, but I found that the toilet paper tube worked really awesome. So, you're going to tape it around on the toilet paper tube. Mine has a little bit of a gap, but that's just because of the way that I cut it. I cut just a little tiny bit too small, so there's a bit of a gap. So when you shine the light through it, there's a little bit of a sliver. Then you'll want to find your flashlight and shine it through. And I realize that of course you can't see it looking at it like this. I will, but now you have a projector, and let me see if I can come up with a way to hold it. That's too light. 1 second. Alright, I have a black mug here. Alright, so I don't know if you can kind of see this. There we go. All right, if you can kind of see the Big Dipper on the bottom of my mug. See? And then you'll notice you play around with it a little bit. The closer you get, the farther away you get, the bigger and smaller you can make it. And you kind of see the constellations. This would be a really cool and fun thing to do at nighttime when you're getting ready for bed to find out more about the constellations. I'll find a website that has a little bit of information about constellations and post it in Blooms so you can spend some time together learning about constellations that are in the sky and projecting them on the ceiling at bedtime. All right, one more thing before we go. I would like to do another all about me. So introducing Arabella. Now, Arabella is in my Lion Learners in the Afternoon class. So this is all about Arabella. My name is Arabella. Let's spell it. A-R-A-B-E-L-L-A. Arabella. Nice. I like to eat cheese. Me too. I like to play with makeup and dolls. That sounds like fun. I am 4 years old. Can everybody count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. All right, it was nice to meet Arabella and get to know a little bit more about her and about Hudson in our earlier calendar video. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed the Constellation projector project. Let me know if you can get it to work with a flashlight. Maybe take some pictures of the constellations that you did or of our friends doing the actual fine motor activity of poking the holes through each of those constellations. Okay, have lots of fun, and I can't wait to see you in our Zoom meetings. Goodbye.